omudumizi w'enkambi ya kabiri kano Algamoy Francis niwe yayebembera umukoro ogu kandi gwakorerwa mu barakisi ya MAKENKE. Okurwanira eihanga okuba besigwa ha mirimo okwifuba abebembezi baabo nibwo bwaba buri obutumwa bwakirayo kugambirwa abasirikare aba.
That's not based on your education. However best you speak your English, it stops there. Nobody cares about you. But are you loyal to the country? Do you respect your bosses? And even your junior. For you to be respected, you need to respect even the junior.
Use the time productively and use the financial resources also productively. Knowing that there is life outside service and there is life after service.
Kano Algamoy Francis yayongera yahanangiriza abasirikare aba obutarugahamaramwa kureka bagumize mu bari kugendera ha mitwe hamwe n'emitwarize nk'uko batendekirwe.
You need to start and work on the principle according to the military law.
Like we are proud to belong to the mighty UPDF. That is now where we are. But as we move on, there will be need of esteem. You know, to be proud of yourself and to know that people recognize that you are there.
On behalf of the newly promoted officers, allow me to extend my sincere gratitude to the army leadership and our immediate superior commanders for their role in our success at work, which has kept us motivated.
Ahabiri 17 by'okwezi ko kubanza President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni akatungura abasirikare bari kwikabitana 28 bihe rya UPDF kandi bashataho ryabo bakaruga hidara rya Lieutenant Kano baba ba Kano 27 kuruga hidara rya Major kuba ba Lieutenant Kano kandi abandi kuruga hidara rya Captain kuba ba Major otireho nabo abakuzibwe kuba ba Captain. Ahabwa TV West nde era akiza.